What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to supercharge your Webflow projects using the Relume library. Massive collection of components to speed up your design process. So let's get into it. First, head over to relume.io library and sign up for an account. Once you're logged in, you can browse through hundreds of pre-built components like headers, footers, forms, and more. Find a component you like and click on it to view details. To use it in Webflow, you'll need to install a Relume library Chrome extension, and you can get it from the Chrome Web Store. In your Webflow project, make sure you're logged in and have the designer open. Go back to Relume library, select the component you want, and click Copy to Webflow. Switch back to your Webflow designer. The component should now be available in your project. Simply paste it using Ctrl-V or Command+V if you're using a Mac. Customize the component to match your site's style. Change colors, fonts, and content as needed. Repeat the process for any other components you want to add. Alright, using Relume library can drastically cut down your development time and keep your designs consistent. And that's how you use Relume library in Webflow. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more Webflow tips. I'll see you next time.